the number, that registered number, she has the same number in her other jerseys also, or are they different?
No, it's same.
Then she can wear anything. Who cares?
Color of the jersey.
The numbers, as long as
They don't
number
have
is.
jersey number, no?
No, we have.
99.
No, on the kit.
Yes, yes. They are wearing warm-up kit, as in training kit. They are not wearing match kit. If you see the pink shorts they're wearing, the numbers are there, no? So now we have a problem because they gave us white shorts. And I told them our girls will not play white shorts. So now we only have one short. They're not giving us. And I told them start of the season only, and that please.
Yes. I'm going to upgrade myself.
Today, a parent from Michael called me in the morning. Started blasting me, saying coach is changing and what
To do.
I said this is our program, sir. This is how we function. This is our system. If you want.
What else? We have coaches session in the mornings. Matches are also happening. Two coaches are not there now. Denzel is not there. Pritam is not there. Reno's gone. Shibli is not here.
Shibli is on leave.
No, he's gone to TSS.
Oh, 1 month he's not there.
Yes. Pari is not well. He has that injury.
Can't give him too many sessions also.
Yeah, so we can only give him one session a day.
When I told him somehow, I thought only it's going to be Ashwin and Rahul. I told sir, if Rahul doesn't come, it will be Ashwin. Then I checked this week's section.
Neither of them. No, because see, now what has happened is Reno's gone. And Ashwin is. No, Ashwin has been on my ass. Why are you not putting me in VFT? VFT is right in front of my house. I was like, okay.
I mean, they're asking also.
No, see, if I am paying money, right, I will also blast you guys. And I've been telling this to the management. Management is management. Yesterday, me and Michael spent, you won't believe, 1 hour 40 minutes on scheduling. And I had to make my this report also. Because first we have to make elite scheduling, right? Elite and academy. Now that depends on academy coaches. Because first priority has to go to the academy. Right, so I have to wait if Gordon has a match or Gordon is busy or Avinash is busy, right? Then we cannot make that schedule. So once they confirm to us which ground they want, when do they want it, then we try to sort everybody else out. Once we have sorted that out, then only we can sit on soccer schools, because then we know which coaches are available, which coaches are not available. And then part-time coaches, because now we have 3 part-time coaches, all 3 of them have summer camps in their schools also. So 2 of them are not available. One is available only on few evenings, and Andy is there. We have one guy, that Sudhir is there, no? He is sometimes taking 3 sessions in a day. He is very happy because he is earning money.
Yeah, he gets.
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning.
All the best today, ma'am.
Yeah,